Hi, in this video, you're going to learn how to set up your Shopify app using Express.js and React. So as we all know, Shopify CLI has been updated and it's recommended to use Remix and Shopify extensions. And there is no way to use the old template like Express.js. So in this video, I have created an alternative way to use Express.js to create your Shopify apps. Okay, so let's get started. So the first step, you open your VS Code and navigate to the folder where you want to install your app, and then run this code, npm init space at Shopify /app at latest, and hit enter. Now you will be asked for your project name. I'll just name this Geoffrey YouTube. This will be your project name. This is different from your app name, so just hit enter. Next step is you will be asked for these questions. So as you can see, it recommends Remix, but we don't want to use that. Instead, we want to use Express and React. So we will choose start by adding your first extension. Okay, so that's done. So the next step is to change directory by running cd the name of your project. So Geoffrey YouTube in my case, and hit enter. And right now it says here to see your app, run npm run dev, but we are not going to do that yet because we need the files for Express.js template. So I will attach that file in the description below, so please don't forget to download that. After you download that file, we will want to extract that into our Shopify app folder. So this is the file. Just open it. Okay, so all I want to do is copy all of this and then navigate to your folder. And this is the root directory. All you want to do is paste it here and then replace files in the destination. Right, so that's done. Close that. So the next step here is you have to delete this package-lock. Just delete that. And this is what you're going to see, these files. So we have the web that's been added and some other files here that we need. Now, the next step here is to run npm install. So this will install all dependencies that you have entered here in the package.json. Also here in the web, we have package.json here, also in the front end. So let's run npm install. Right, so that's done. So I forgot to mention that it is required to have your Shopify partners account logged in, and then you also need to create a test store in your Shopify partners account in order for you to proceed in the next steps. So if you already have that, the next step is to run npm run dev. So you will be asked what organization we're going to use. So this is your partner's account. So I have two at the moment, but most probably you will have one. So choose that partner's account that you have created. Just hit enter. And you'll be asked to create new app or connect to existing one. So in this tutorial, just use yes, create it as a new app. Awesome cart drawer. And hit enter. So you'll be asked to configure your Shopify COML file. So this is needed to update your Shopify app settings. So just hit enter on this one. Right, so you will be asked to use what project. I'll just use my development store here, Geoffrey Tutorials. Hit enter. And then you'll be asked if you want to update your app URLs automatically. Just hit yes for now. So every time you run your app or open your app using npm run dev, Shopify will generate a Cloudflare CDN URL that will be used for your app. So you need to choose yes, so Shopify will just take care of that for you. Right, so that's running perfectly. Now we have our preview URL here, or you can just press P to preview it in the browser. Okay, so let me show you how it looks like. So this is the preview. Now you'll be asked to install your app. So as you can see, we are successfully set up our app. So all we have to do is install. And now we successfully set up our app. As you can see, we have our text here. Congratulations on your first app. So to edit that and check the files, you have to go to web, front end, and look for pages and look for index.js. So this is the file. So we can change this to first app, for example. Once you save, you'll be able to preview your changes without refreshing the page. So any changes you make in here will automatically be updated in your browser. So this is just the first step in creating your Shopify app. So I have created a full course to teach you step by step on how to create your Shopify app until you publish it to the App Store. In here, I will discuss how to design your app admin page by using Shopify Polaris. And I will also teach you how to use Shopify APIs such as the billing API. In here, you will learn how to bill your customers, either one-time payment, subscription, or usage-based. I will teach you how to store data on a database using NoSQL like MongoDB. We will learn Shopify proxy. We will also learn mandatory webhooks, which is required before submitting your app to the App Store. And finally, we will submit our app until it gets published in the Shopify App Store. So if you are interested in this course, please check the link in the description. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.